large format pour-over brewer. Something new and I think very interesting. It's porcelain. It's dual-wall ceramic, which I think is rather lovely. Well done, Etkin.
A little over a year ago, we were so excited to find out we were featured on James Hoffmann's YouTube channel, where he brewed coffee with our 8-cup dripper.
Recently, we're starting to see some interesting, what I would call large format pour-over brewers. And the first one I saw was this one here from Etkin.
We've been following James Hoffmann for years. He's somebody we've learned so much from, and we were really excited to see that he enjoyed using our dripper. To celebrate the 1-year anniversary, we thought it would be fun if we gave James Hoffmann's Etkin dripper technique a try. Now, if you've watched some of our other videos before, you know that our typical recipe, we recommend breaking up the brew into equal chunks. And so usually we recommend around 150 milliliters. And so if you are brewing, let's say 750 milliliters, quick does math in head real fast, that means that you're gonna end up doing 5 different pours. Now, James, in his technique, he recommends dividing up your brew water into 3 different pours. So I think what James' recipe is probably gonna give us is less turbulence, and so potentially a shorter brew time. So that'll actually be interesting to test today. So for the video today, we're gonna be brewing coffee from our friends at Arc Coffee Roasters here in Istanbul, Turkey. It's a yellow Katawai, a wash Tarazu from Costa Rica. And I think this is gonna be a perfect coffee for brewing a large batch with. And so, yeah, let's dig into it. All right, so we're gonna use 45 grams of coarse coffee. So we're gonna bloom the coffee with around 125 grams of water. So after 30 seconds or so, we're gonna come in with our second pour. So we're going to pour a full 250 grams of water. One thing I love about James' technique does give you these longer gaps in between pours, which, you know, opens up some time to do important things in the morning. So we're coming in with our second of 3 pours now. So we really are using the full kind of brewing capacity of the dripper with this technique. So don't be afraid to push it up to the rim. All right, so let's take a sip and see how it turned out. Yeah, so this is definitely like a lighter, brighter kind of brew. Overall, the brew went about 30 seconds faster than maybe I would have expected. So I definitely think this is a great technique for coffees where you maybe want a shorter extraction. You want to bring out some more of those light, fruity, brighter characteristics of the coffee. Incredibly clean, sweet, very drinkable cup, one that I think anyone would enjoy. We always say make plenty at Etkin, and we say that because we believe coffee is best enjoyed with friends. It's so cheesy. It's so cheesy.